Hello everyone, welcome to your LibreOffice Calc channel. In this video I am going to show you a unique approach for removing leading apostrophes in LibreOffice Calc. Firstly, let's consider when the leading apostrophes are used. It is used to prevent auto-formatting of entered value. For example, if you want to enter a number with leading zeros. Usually, if you enter many zeros and number, the calc automatically removes the extra zeros. To save value as it was entered, we need to start entering with apostrophe. Also, very often the hidden apostrophes appear in cells after importing data from external sources. So let's figure out how we can remove the leading apostrophes from the cells. To do this, select necessary cells and open Find and Replace tool. Press Ctrl H. In Opened window, tick Regular Expression checkbox. Then, in Find row, enter period and asterisk. In Replace field, enter ampersand. Then press Replace All button. As you can see, all leading apostrophes have been removed in selected cells. If the video was helpful for you, please let me know in comments below. Thank you.